Welcome to the theater, to the magic, to the fun, where painted trees and flowers grow, and laughter rings fortissimo, and treachery sweetly done. Now you've entered the asylum, this profession unique. Actors are children, playing hide and ego seek. So welcome to the theater, to this business we call show. You're on your way to wealth and fame. Unsheathe your claws, enjoy the game. You be a bitch, but they know your name. From New York to Kokomo. Welcome to the theater, my dear, you love it so. Welcome to the dirty concrete hallways, welcome to the friendly roaches too. Welcome to the pinches of the stagehands, it's the only quiet thing they do. Welcome to the Philadelphia critics, welcome Librium and Embutol. Welcome to a life of laryngitis, welcome to dark toilets in the hall. Welcome to the flop you thought would run for years. Welcome to the world of tears and cheers and fears. Welcome to the theater, with some luck you'll be a pro. You work and slave and scratch and bite. You'll learn to kill with sheer delight. You only come alive at night when you're in a show. Where painted trees and flowers grow, and laughter rings fortissimo, and treachery sweetly done. Well,